Welcome to Profitify, where the journey to financial prosperity begins. Ever curious about how giants like Apple, Google, or Amazon continue to expand and grow? The secret lies within the fascinating world of the stock market. So, what's the stock market? Picture a massive marketplace, but instead of trading fruits or clothes, people buy and sell tiny slices of companies, known as stocks or shares. These stocks are essentially pieces of company ownership. Imagine believing in a company's future success and buying some of its stocks. As the company grows and profits, the value of those stocks also rises. Excitingly, you can sell those stocks for a profit. That's the stock market in a nutshell. But where do all these transactions occur? It's typically not as flashy as it seems. It's primarily people glued to screens, making rapid decisions. These transactions happen at stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or the Nasdaq. These exchanges are platforms where buyers and sellers meet to trade stocks. They operate like a massive auction house, with stock prices determined by supply and demand. When a stock is in high demand, its price rises. Conversely, when a stock is abundant, its price falls. You might wonder, why buy stocks if they can decrease in value? Although stocks come with risks, they also offer the potential for high returns. Investing in stocks means investing in the future success of companies. If these companies prosper, so does your investment. Beyond that, there are additional ways to profit from the stock market, like dividends. Some companies distribute a portion of their profits to shareholders as dividends. So not only can you profit by buying low and selling high, but you can also earn passive income through dividends. Before diving into the stock market, remember to do your research and understand the companies you're investing in. Don't just follow the crowd or the latest stock tip. Also, bear in mind that the stock market can be volatile. Prices can fluctuate rapidly, so maintain a long-term perspective and try not to panic when things get turbulent. Lastly, consider seeking advice from a financial advisor or taking investment courses to help navigate the stock market's complexities. And that's a wrap for today's lesson on the stock market. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more financial wisdom. Here's to your financial success.